So YouTube, Angel Degante back with another video. Today's trucking adventure. We brought my son, and my wife, and my other son.
So sons.
We brought the whole family. We came to the hotel, just dropped the trailer off at Tesla. It's an oversized load. Show you guys the whole process tomorrow. It's pretty cool. But yeah, let's go check out this room. Our room number at this hotel, 133, like my truck number. And it has been my dad's truck number for years. Nico, say what's up. As I can see, we're in the hotel room now. It's pretty nice. King size bed. That's how we sleep at home. And one, two, three. Oh. Jump, 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 jump. What's up, y'all? Back in the hotel room. We had a long night out. We went to Target over there by the University of Texas, Austin. And then we went to go eat some pizza at Home Slice, I think it's called. After that, we got some ice cream at Amy's. Now we're back. We're tired. My wife is showering the kids. I'm next because it was a long day walking, so catch you guys tomorrow at Tesla so we can unload. I left the hotel already. I left my wife and kids at the hotel because it's still pretty early and y'all checkout's at 11. Hopefully they don't take that long here because then I'm gonna have to call the hotel and ask them for another hour and stuff like that. So hopefully everything goes as planned. Y'all, them securities love giving me a hard time, man. I'm telling you. Drop my bags a little bit. Got this gate. Told her, hey, my trailer's right there. I need to get through. Oh, sure, you're saying, oh, you need an escort, this and that. So I don't need no escort. I already know where I'm going. Ramps on my frame, so it's kind of hard for me to hook up to these trailers. I gotta pass air to this trailer, let it build up because it takes a little while. This thing finally released the brakes. Headed over here now to the crane. Now I'm trying to see where I'm gonna back it. Hopefully the same as last time. Should be a little easier for me this time because I have a 3-axle Lobo instead of the 4-axle like last time. Thank you. Getting ready to lift the crane up, guys.
You're gonna pull your head.
All right. Yeah. Thank you.
Good boy.
Bye. Alright, y'all, I'm done here. Just lift up my bag. There's a big old Tesla plant. Y'all can see there's a tray right there. They're gonna break it down and lift up the machine to the roof. Head on back, y'all. Go pick up my wife and kids. Call it a day. Head back to Houston. Park up. Y'all can see we have made it to the yard. Parked up already. Headed home. Made it safe and sound. Hooked up to the flatbed so we can get to work tomorrow. Oh, Nico's ready to go. You ready, baby? Vámonos. You had fun? Súbete y a manejar. Súbete. Maneja, maneja.